Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Ria Manbari Ananya at Rajpur Atlas, nearby to Garia metro station, and just 10 minutes driving distance from Garia metro and 5 minutes driving distance from Kamalgachi crossing. And it's a 875 square feet sellable area, 2 BHK apartment, and with this excellent living cum dining hall. So L pattern living cum dining, and this side will be the master bedroom along with this common toilet. And you can see this is the entry lobby of this apartment, and on entry you can see this is the lobby space of master bedroom, and this side will be the dining space, and this side you will be having your drawing area along with this TV unit space. This is to give you a glimpse how you can decorate your apartment. And this side, this is the kitchen space. It's a rectangle shaped kitchen along with this L pattern countertop, and separate space for refrigerator also, with this big window, French style window with exhaust points. And now this side will be the attached balcony space just beside this living cum dining area. So this is the attached balcony space, and come this side, this is the first bedroom. So this first bedroom is having a size of approximately 12 feet by 11 feet along with this wardrobe space. And see the dining place again. Now come just beside the entry point, this is the common toilet space, and this common toilet is having separate space for bath, commode area and basin area. And now we are entering into the master bedroom, and see this side. So this is the attached toilet along with this master bedroom. It's a rectangle shaped beautiful attached toilet space. And now come this side. So this is the master bedroom along with this king size bed, a dressing area and window on this side. And not only that, from master bedroom you can see the green view outside. And this is the wardrobe space. You can decorate like this one. So hope you like this video. If you are interested about this property, then please call as early as possible, because we are having very limited number of units left, because currently it's ready to move in condition. It's going to deliver within 6 months of time, and this project is having every facilities and amenities. So thanks a lot. Have a great day. Please share and subscribe our channel for further updates.